Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine and you're safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we will be doing food for health. Food for health. Yes. The name of the chapter is Food for Us. Come, let's read the chapter. Chapter number 4, Food for Us. We all need food. Food keeps us healthy. It makes us strong. Milk, curd, roti, dal, and rice help our body grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. We should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. They help us to stay healthy. Some foods like fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. Some foods like dal and rice have to be cooked before eating. Plants give us food. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Plants give us food grains. Plants give us cereals like wheat, rice, and corn. They give us pulses like dal, pea, and gram. Cereals and pulses are food grains. Animals give us food. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, and goats. We make curd, ghee, butter, and cheese from milk. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Some people eat the flesh of animals like fish, hens, and goats. People who eat vegetables, fruits, cereals, and pulses are called vegetarians. People who eat meat also are called non vegetarians. Meals. We have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner in the evening. We should have our meals at a fixed time every day. Good food habits. Here are some good food habits. Wash your hands with soap before and after eating. Take only as much food on your plate as you can eat. Chew your food well. Eating too much or too little can be dangerous. Do not speak or laugh with food in your mouth. Rinse your mouth with water after eating. Eat clean and fresh food to stay healthy. Eating uncovered or stale food can make us sick. Yes, kids. So this is about the reading of the chapter. Let's try to understand what is there in the chapter. Yes. So first is healthy food. Now, whatever food we are eating, we should always see whether it is healthy or unhealthy. What is the meaning of healthy? Now, can you see on the screen? These are your healthy food like fruits, vegetables, juices. They are healthy food. Healthy food keeps us strong and away from diseases. Means you will not fall sick if you eat healthy food, right? And what is unhealthy food? See, the burgers, French fries, ice creams, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, all these are unhealthy food. Eating regularly unhealthy food makes us weak and sick. We will fall sick when we eat more of unhealthy food. People who eat vegetables, fruits, cereals, and pulses are called vegetarians. Now, the people who eat more of vegetables, more of cereals like rice, wheat, dal, all those people are called as vegetarians. They are called as vegetarians. And the people who also eat meat, they are called as non-vegetarians. Can you see the meat here? Like eggs, meat is here, chicken is here, fish is here. They are called as non-vegetarians. Now let's do the exercise for this chapter. Lesson number 4, food for us. Let's see the fill in the blanks. Number 1, we get our food from plants and dash. We get our food from plants and animals. Number 2, food gives us dash. Food gives us dash. Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Number 3, people who eat dash are called non-vegetarians. People who eat dash are called non-vegetarians. People who eat meat are called non-vegetarians. Number 4, hens and ducks gives us dash. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. Yes, so my dear friends, this is all related to your chapter. So children, I hope you understood the chapter. Here we have studied about the different vegetables, milk, curd, roti, dal, rice, which keep our body strong, our muscles strong, and our bones strong. We must eat the fruits and vegetables. They will keep us healthy. We must always eat cooked food, okay? It is very important to eat cooked food, right? Then the plants from where we get food, the fruits from where we get from the plants, the vegetables and fruits we get from plants, right? Like you can see on the picture, the corn, rice, wheat, this all we are getting from plants, and these are the food grains, these are the cereals and pulses, right? And then we have animals from where we get the food, like the cow, the goat, from we take the fish, we take chicken for eating, right? So all these are the food which we get from animals. And the people who eat more of vegetables and fruits, they are called as vegetarians. And the people who eat meat, they are called as non-vegetarians, right? And also very important, the three important meals of the day is breakfast, lunch and dinner. And what is the meal? Meal is which we eat at a fixed time every day. Now breakfast is only in the morning, lunch is only in the afternoon, and dinner is in the evening or in the night time, right? And also we studied that what are the good food habits. Number 1, always wash your hands before eating the food and after eating the food. And number 2, you must only take that much food on the plate, how much you can eat. Okay, don't take more food on the plate. Then you will have to throw, and it is not good, right? Then always whenever you're eating the food, chew your food nicely. How do you chew? With your teeth. Yes. And we must not speak, we must not laugh when we have food in our mouth. Okay, it is not a good habit. Then, after eating, what we must do? Always rinse your mouth with water. Yes, kids, always rinse your mouth with water after eating food. Yes, you must clean your mouth. And then we must always try to eat clean and fresh food. Okay, not the food which we made yesterday. Always make fresh food at the same day, on the same day only finish it and eat it. Okay, and we must always try to eat covered food. Okay, and not old food, not the food which is become brown or old and is the smell is coming out of the food, that we must always avoid. We must always avoid. Okay, my dear students, so I hope you understood the chapter, you understood the importance of eating food, the different types of meals we have in a day, what are vegetarians, what are non-vegetarians, what are the eating habits we must always follow. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, take care and we'll meet soon for the next class. Bye bye.